Hello everybody and welcome back to another Python demo video. And in this video we'll be demoing the blackjack game. And the game of blackjack, how it works is that the dealer is given one card face up and one card face down, and you're given two cards faced up, and what you're supposed to do is you have to hit as many cards to get more cards, and you cannot go over 21. And then once you pass your turn, and if the dealer gets over 21, you automatically win. But if you get a number higher than the dealer and it's not over 21, then you'll win. In any ties, the dealer is always going to win. So let me show you how we can play this game. So I have 19 cards. I don't know how many the dealer has. So it's probably a safe bet to just pass on this turn because there's a high chance I might get a card over 21 and that'll mean I'll lose. So if I press pass, yep, the dealer got exactly 21, which is another way you can win. So I lost. Let's try this again. So I have 15. I'll try hitting. Yeah, I got over 21. Try again. Okay, I'm gonna pass. Okay, so I got a higher number than the dealer, which means I win. Let's try this again. Pass. Same scenario again. Gonna hit 17. Let's play safe. Okay, so I tied with the dealer. That means the dealer always wins. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.